Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 31. This is Section 1.6, Problem 31. It says find the perimeter and area of the figure, and you have a diagram in the homework. It's a rectangle, 8 feet on one side, 12 feet on the other side. So, because it's a rectangle, if the right side is 8 feet, then the left side is also 8 feet. And if the bottom is 12 feet, then the top is also 12 feet. So, for the perimeter, it's the distance around. So you can start at whatever point you want, just add up the numbers. So, perimeter, I'll just start at the top, 12 plus 8 plus 12 again on the bottom, plus 8 on the last side. And then if I add the far right column of numbers, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 2 more is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So for 20, I write the 0 from the 20 and then carry the 2 from the 20 to the top of the next column. And then I add 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 more is 4. So the perimeter is 40, and since some units of measure are given in the problem, I should include the same units of measure in the answer. The perimeter is 40 feet, which again is abbreviated FT. Now it also asks for the area. So the area for a rectangle is either, you could say length times width or base times height, however you want to say it. It's really the same thing. I'll write base times height. So the base is 12 feet times the height is 8 feet. So 12 times 8, I know from my multiplication table, is 96. But again, because units of measure are given, I should include units of measure in my answer. Now this time it's not 96 feet, it's 96 square feet. And you can write out square feet or put SQFT because it's 12 feet times 8 feet. So it's feet times feet, which they call square feet.